The camera tool is really interesting. Say you have some data like this and you want to be able to have it so that it's in a format where you can move it around, you can rotate it, you can resize it. So to be able to have that luxury, it's almost like in the graphic, but the data is actually dynamic. So as you change the data, it changes in your graphic. It's easy to do with the camera tool. So the camera tool, I put it on my toolbar here, right there. You can add it yourself by just going to more commands and add it, like find it in the list of all commands, and you'll find it alphabetically calling the camera tool. And once you find it, you can add it to your upper ribbon. So there is the camera tool right there. You just add it to your ribbon. So anyway, what it does is you select the data range and then take a picture with the camera button, and then click where you want the picture to appear. Then you can move it around, you can resize it, rotate it. Be interesting the things you can do with it. And again, as the change of data, of course, it changes on the picture. That's the camera tool.